Good morning, everyone. I'm Brian Hikus, and I'm hosting the session this morning. We know there's a lot of excitement around how development teams can make use of CPaaS platforms to positively impact their business. I'll be joined in a little bit by my colleagues, David Beavers and Shaughnessy Spears, to go deeper into certain aspects of the IMI CPaaS platform. But first, I want to share with you more details on how IMI Connect enables developers to make every customer interaction count. Our enterprise cloud communications platform offers a range of APIs and tools to help you to connect with customers, either with automated interactions or by connecting them to real time systems, enabling your business to engage its customers across a wide variety of channels. Further, we want to share how you can use these tools to deliver rich, personalized interactions at scale. For those of you who attended the previous session, Sudarshan discussed the challenges related to meeting customer expectations with communications. Problems include the complexity of connecting your existing core business systems with consumers across the different channels in a consistent and thoughtful way. This can lead to poor consumer experiences and difficulties in building and supporting multiple applications as the number of touch points between the business and customers increases. IT is often stuck in the middle, being asked to innovate and drive new solutions, while also needing to maintain previous efforts and keep them updated in a continuously evolving environment. To succeed, brands must overcome these challenges to truly enable smarter customer interactions. The IMI Connect platform addresses this by focusing on enabling developers to transform consumer experiences with APIs and tools built to drive interaction on these digital channels, optimize their operations to seamlessly integrate with the rest of the business, and to build, test, scale, and manage solutions as business needs change over time. The goal is to enable you to quickly prototype new experiences, test and refine them, and then roll them out to your consumers. And as you continue to innovate around those experiences as your business needs change. Now, while this is the first time we're here under the WebEx umbrella, this is not a new platform. We've been in the messaging business for almost 20 years and have direct relationships with the mobile operators that comes from being a trusted partner around the world. With a global footprint and the ability to deliver messages to anywhere your customers are, we provide a high quality, low latency solution for your key program needs. Whether you're looking for a pipe to reach the messaging networks, or, like many of our clients, looking to create something more complex that integrates with existing systems and adds logic and personalization to your messages, we deliver that at scale with high performance today. Both high volume bursty traffic such as notifications or marketing broadcasts, as well as ongoing steady state traffic like password reminders are supported, enabling high confidence delivery for all of your communications needs. Now, one of our goals with the platform is to enable developers to easily integrate messaging into your existing processes and applications. This includes providing channel-specific APIs for both carrier channels, such as SMS or RCS, as well as OTT channels. And this allows you to plug messaging directly into your applications. Additionally, we provide capabilities to make and receive phone calls and then manage the call flows and conversations that result. There are SDKs to embed messaging into your applications, both for in-app messaging and push notifications, as well as to power the other digital channels that we connect you with. And finally, we will be launching video capabilities, leveraging the power of the WebEx platform. More on that in just a little bit. Now, in addition to providing connections to the many messaging channels, the IMI Connect platform also includes additional tools, such as the Visual Flow Builder. The Flow Builder enables developers to create and scale experiences without the need to deploy applications. This comes with a host of built-in capabilities ranging from a suite of pre-built integrations to productivity-enhancing tools which address common messaging problems that simplify the management of complex or repetitive tasks. An example is the social hours node, which prevents messages from being triggered until an acceptable time, because no one really wants to be woken up for a sale reminder at 3 a.m. By using these, you're better able to focus on and accelerate the development of the experience you wish to build that will delight your customers. Further, the Flow Builder is integrated with a host of other powerful components, which enable you to observe consumer behavior, debug interaction issues, or manage the modification and publication of updates to your flows. Now, we know there's a lot to take in, and there are a number of approaches that you could take when integrating communications into your customer experiences. To help you make the best use of this functionality, we have a consolidated view of the resources available for your use at developers.imiconnect.io. This site provides documentation, sample code, postman collections, and a number of other aids to help you get started, as well as to help you refine your approach as you design more complex interactions. These cover both the use of the tools as well as the suite of APIs and capabilities available in the platform, ranging from the messaging channel APIs to the multiple ways that IMI Connect can integrate with your business systems and applications. Now, I'm going to hand over to David Beavers, who has helped numerous clients successfully develop and deploy solutions on the IMI Connect CPaaS platform. David?
Thanks, Brian. Hi, I'm Dave Beavers, and I'm the lead pre-sales solution architect at IMI Mobile. I'm here to share with you some of the developer tools that the IMI Connect CPaaS platform has to offer, and how, as a developer, they can make your life easier and more productive. So you can spend more time doing the bits of coding that you enjoy, that interest you and challenge you, and less time on the more mundane or repetitive integration tasks. Also, how these tools can satisfy the other parts of your business with regards to reporting, dashboards, and logging, so you don't have to create those bespoke components yourselves. The tools provided by the platform offer capabilities for the full lifecycle management of the interactive customer journeys that you wish to hand over to IMI Connect. To support the creation of your solution, from vision to implementation, the IMI Connect platform provides you with a full suite of APIs and SDKs, a low-code, highly flexible drag and drop interface to build your workflows, and fully integrated channel management. To support the integration and deployment of your implemented design, the IMI Connect platform offers pre-built and custom integrations to a large number of CRM systems, contact center service providers, and other back-end systems. You can even create your own integrations. It allows, through the event scheduler, both manual and schedule triggering of workflows. The Flow Builder itself also offers simple, intuitive version control and one-click deployment and rollback. Once your solution is live, to both debug and report on its success, there are a large number of reporting and analytical features. Wide-ranging UI-based graphs and reports are available at the click of a button. There are detailed flow analytics, transactional debug logs. There's the ability to automate the export of logs. All of these features are widely used by almost all clients I've worked with on the platform. You can keep track of changes, improve your journeys, and collaborate with your team. The platform offers versioning and audit history, both at a platform level and for individual workflows. When showing and sharing your work to colleagues, even colleagues who aren't very technical, it's very easy to show what IMI Connect is doing due to the simple, intuitive UI. You can even export shareable password protected links so others can view the flows you've created, even outside of your organization. I would like to take a closer look at a couple of the points I've mentioned so you can get some clarity on how these are provided by the platform, because you've had a lot to take in very quickly. Specifically for asset management and for building your workflows, IMI Connect provides a single place to manage all your communication assets, from phone numbers to your business's social media assets. Once these assets have been created, they can be used in the IMI Connect workflow builder. Some CPaaS platforms require complex source files to be uploaded to allow for configurations such as XML files or JSON files. Some require interactions with very restrictive interfaces. The IMI Connect platform offers a low-code, intuitive interface that gives you the tools to expand its capabilities yourselves. This is important to developers as it enables fast progression while not tying your hands or limiting you. It allows for bespoke functionality to be added in the form of custom evaluate nodes and custom integration nodes. As mentioned, the IMI Connect solution allows you as a developer to create your own integrations as well as the ones that are supplied out of the box. These can include such things as connections to bespoke CRM systems, any bespoke channels you may have, within limits anything that has a publicly accessible API over the internet using HTTP, things like REST or SOAP services. The developer will create these integrations and they'll specify the authentication credentials, the payload to be sent and received, and how that received payload should be passed to determine success or failure. Some less technical business users may not know how to use these APIs. They may not even know what an API is. Or developers or your InfoSec teams may not want them to have the security credentials to be able to call them. In both use cases, the developers themselves create the integration which will then allow the IMI Connect Flow Builder to use them in its drag and drop interface. With this create once and reuse method, among more usual use cases, we've got a leading retailer delivering messages directly to regional outlet screens. We also have a global car manufacturer receiving messages directly to their vehicles to be read out or displayed on the vehicle screen, and both having their CRMs updated automatically in real time. Every single request or call to our APIs will generate a unique transaction ID. It would be prudent as a developer to log these transaction IDs in back-end calling systems. This is because shortly after request execution, you can search in the UI and the IMI Connect platform will display full debug logs for the transaction. These logs won't only log the things we feel are important on the workflow, but all those metrics you as a developer want to report on that you think are important to your workflows. The Workflows UI also has its own debug screen, which is searchable and will give you slightly more info for a given transaction due to the highlighting and other information available within that interface. It also allows you to clearly see how the transaction progressed through the workflow from step to step. These two methods give you as a developer the tools you need to rapidly diagnose and correct any issues that may arise in your workflows or simply in the sending of messages. Alongside the transactional logs, there's the ability to both manually download the system export logs and also set them to be automatically exported via SFTP or S3. This is to allow for other bespoke systems to ingest and report upon your workflows. As a developer, this should save you time and effort from having to create the bespoke code to meet these reporting requirements, which you will be set as part of your projects. Alongside the raw data and the logs, the platform also has a suite of out-of-the-box reporting capabilities, so you can see how your solution is performing at a granular level. It shows usage across all services, channels, and integrations. All reports can be exported or downloaded in a number of different formats, and also their raw data exported. Further to the reports section, the Flow Builder itself has the inbuilt ability to display the traffic that executes through the workflow in Sankey charts. We've had specific feedback from clients on the usefulness of this to analyze the progress through the interactions or journeys and identify areas of improvement or concern. These types of tools, again, are especially useful to the developer in that it removes the need for you to create them yourselves while enabling your business users to interrogate the solutions you've created. As I said at the start, these tools are here to allow you to rapidly create communication journeys and empower you and your business users with the necessary tools to report and analyze their effectiveness. In doing so, allowing you more time for the coding you really enjoy. Hope I've given you a small taste, and I'm sure you want to know how to get access to these and other tools so you can start learning and building. So I'll hand back to Brian to let you know how.
Thank you, David. We're excited to announce that we are opening up the IMI Connect platform to enterprise developers so that they can start building and testing messaging with their applications. The same platform that enables leading global enterprises to deliver billions of interactions and which powers their critical business processes is being made available without requiring you to sign up for a contract or go through the procurement process. This access is intended to allow you to experience the power of the IMI Connect platform and start prototyping and testing concepts immediately. We know that developers and product teams are often brought ideas that those teams need to be able to quickly create an experience to evaluate if they will work or determine what will be needed to do to further refine that concept. The IMI Connect Developer Sandbox will allow you to take advantage of the capabilities that we've discussed to build these experiences. Within the sandbox, we're exposing several key channels for you to play with on both inbound and outbound messaging. These include connectivity with SMS, voice, and WhatsApp, all with pre-provisioned identities so you can start messaging immediately. These channels are coupled with quick start information, such as sample code, Postman collections, and SDKs to help you get started both with the platform and the channels as you ramp up. Additionally, the Developer Sandbox provides access to the tools in the IMI Connect platform as David discussed, including the Flow Builder and integrations so you can tie into your existing business systems and build out working experiences. Debugging tools so you can refine the experiences you create and resolve issues as you test the interaction. And analytics tools to allow you to observe how you will be able to measure your application's performance once it goes live. Finally, when you're ready to expand from prototyping and want to deploy your ideas to production and operate the application at scale, we make it easy for you to transition from the Developer Sandbox to a production account with full access to all of the channels and capabilities of the platform. Beyond the introduction of the Developer Sandbox, we're excited to announce another addition to the IMI Connect CPaaS platform. I'd like to introduce Shaughnessy Spears to share the details on the introduction of our upcoming video capabilities. Shaughnessy?
Thanks, Brian. I'm Shaughnessy Spears, and I'm on the product team at Cisco, and I am so excited to be here to announce the upcoming release of the Video SDK. This Video SDK is a new set of developer-focused tools that will unlock video integration use cases across a range of verticals and lines of business. Our initial offering, which we will be refining and releasing over the next few months, will include all the building blocks for one-to-one video calls, with basic session controls and simulcast included, all built on the proven Webex video architecture. IMI Connect already promises many possibilities for creating smarter and more seamless customer experiences, and the Video SDK will create even more opportunities to elevate and humanize these interactions. Future planned functionality includes group calling, recording, and storage, and AI features like background noise removal and background blur, all of which will be built on the tried and tested Webex infrastructure. There's a lot of possibility, and we will need help making sure we're headed in the right direction. This is where we hope to engage this amazing community. In the coming months, we hope to begin inviting folks from this community to partner with us as they build relevant use cases against the video toolkit and provide feedback that will shape its future and the future of the CPaaS platform as a whole. To illustrate one of the use cases we hope to unlock and provide an overview of what's coming, we've prepared a brief video. Let's take a look.
We've seen firsthand how video can keep us connected and provide more vibrant, authentic, and accessible online interactions. We are thrilled to announce that we will soon release a powerful and flexible toolkit for developers to build rich, high-quality video experiences. Let's walk through an example of how video can elevate a customer journey and complement other communication channels for a holistic customer experience. Car buying can be tedious, but disruptive online marketplaces are changing that, moving more of the process online. Everything from research and evaluation to pre-qualification and purchase. In this fictional example, a customer uses a marketplace app called Dash to search for a BMW 135i. On one of the search results, an automated chatbot built on IMI Connect offers to provide more information. This is where video can bring this customer experience to life. The chatbot offers the option to connect with the owner over a live video call. The seller begins by telling the shopper a little about the car before going into a live video tour. During this session, buyer and seller can talk in real time, asking questions and reviewing the condition and features, far surpassing the detail of the listing and photos alone. They arrange to meet up for a test drive. Once the call wraps, the seller schedules the appointment through the app. Moments later, the buyer receives a text message with the details and a survey, all configured on IMI Connect, bringing the conversation to a close. As digital channels are woven into more aspects of our lives, customers expect them to be intelligent, thoughtfully designed, and respectful of their time and communication preferences. The folks on the Dash team wanted tools that could make all the communications in this end-to-end experience possible. Video, when used in concert with the other channels on the IMI Connect platform, forms a strong foundation for creating rich, textured interactions that place people at the center.
Clearly, there are a lot of capabilities that we've shared here today, and lots more that we haven't had time to go into. To find out more, join the Developer Sandbox, or sign up for notifications about video availability, please visit us at the links in the slides. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a great day.